nga, Buchi!
Bili kaya tayo ng bagong aircon.
I like that idea, Georgie. Mali kasi yung size ng aircon for the room. So dapat, new aircon! Well, Georgie, it's about choosing the right size. Diba yung living room mo, 18 square meters? So go for a 1 horsepower. Kasi kung masyadong malaki o maliit yung size ng aircon for the room, up to 932 pesos ang nadadagdag sa monthly electric bill mo. Georgie, mukhang masyadong malamig.
Talaga ba?
Set the thermostat at a comfortable level. Try 25 degrees instead of 18. Sakto lang ang lamig and it can save up to 991 pesos on your monthly electric bill. Oo nga pala, Georgie, clean your filter twice a month para di nahihirapan yung aircon. It can save up to 334 pesos on your monthly electric bill. Kaya make it a habit, okay?
Okay, Engineer M, thank you, ha?